Okay, I start off with a base of a couple, inch and a quarter or so steel plates. On that's a piece of steel, tool steel disc, and on that sits the launcher and the anvil. The launcher is a backhoe pin, a bucket pin from a backhoe. That's been bored to 625 caliber or 5/8 inch bore, and you can see I use a fuse. It's fuse lit. The fuse is several seconds long, so it's good enough to get out of the way. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and launch this. I've been launching mini anvils like this for a couple of years now. Lost a couple of them, but you know, oh well. Getting ready to launch the anvil, and yeah, this is going to be the worm's eye view. I hope I catch it. Let's see if we can swing this one. It landed just inside the dome. I almost nicked it.